Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can immediately back up your data to iCloud on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Then tap on iCloud Backup. At the bottom here, tap on Backup Now, and your device will immediately back up your data to the iCloud. Now make sure that your iCloud account have enough data storage to back up your device. Now you can see here, it says this iPhone cannot be backed up because there is not enough iCloud storage available. So you need to make sure that the data on your device does not exceed the iCloud backup storage space. If it is, then you need to purchase or upgrade your iCloud storage account so that you have enough storage space to accommodate the backup. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now you can go into your Manage Storage. So in iCloud, tap on Manage Storage, and in here you can purchase more storage for your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.